In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping on Shopify. Setting up shipping on Shopify can seem daunting at first, but with a step-by-step guide, you'll find it straightforward and manageable. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your existing setup, this tutorial will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure your Shopify store's shipping is configured correctly and efficiently. First things first, head over to Shopify's website. This is where all the magic begins. On the home page, you will see an option to log in. Click on Login, which will take you to the login page. Here you'll enter your email address associated with your Shopify account. After inputting your email, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead and fill it out, then click on Login to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in and looking at the Shopify dashboard, navigate to My Store on the home page. Shopify's user-friendly interface makes it easy to find your way around. In the dashboard environment, you will see various administration options. Look for the Settings icon, which typically resembles a gear. Click on it and a menu will appear where you need to select Shipping and Delivery. This is where you'll be spending the next few minutes configuring your shipping settings. Upon entering the Shipping and Delivery section, you'll see an option to create a new profile. Shopify allows you to have multiple shipping profiles based on the type of products, location, and other criteria. This feature is helpful if you have a diverse range of products or ship from multiple locations. Click on New Profile to start setting up your shipping options. Now you're ready to add details to your new shipping profile. Here you'll enter pertinent information about the shipping profile, like its name and which products it applies to. Click on Add Products to select the specific items from your inventory that this shipping profile will cover. Shopify's product selection interface is quite user-friendly, so you should be able to find and select your products quickly. Once you've chosen the products, click on Done to confirm your selection. Following the product selection, it's time to define where this shipping profile will apply. Click on Add Shipping Zone. Think of a shipping zone as a specific geographic region where your shipping rates and methods will apply. You can get as granular as you like, from global regions down to specific countries. For instance, if you're looking to ship products to Asia, you'd click on Add More Countries, Regions in Markets, and then select Asia. Once you've made your selections, click Done to confirm. The next step is critical, setting up your rates. Click on Add Rate to establish how much you will charge for shipping. You can set up a rate based on order weight, item quantity, or simply offer a flat rate. The flexibility allows you to tailor your shipping to your business model. Clicking on Rate Name lets you specify a unique identifier for this shipping rate, making it easier for you to manage multiple rates. After setting your rate, review all the information to ensure accuracy. This includes double-checking the products assigned to this profile, the shipping zones, and the rates. Mistakes here can lead to overcharging or undercharging customers, which can affect your store's credibility and profitability. When everything looks good, click Done to complete the setup of your shipping profile. Lastly, but importantly, click on Done again to finalize all settings in your shipping profile. It's essential to ensure every detail is correct to avoid any complications with order processing and delivery. Congratulations! You've successfully set up shipping on your Shopify store. The process might seem intricate at first glance, but by breaking it down into actionable steps, it becomes much more manageable. Shopify's platform is designed to be user-friendly, and with this guide, setting up shipping for your e-commerce store should be a breeze. Remember, shipping is a critical component of your online business. It affects your profitability, customer satisfaction, and overall operational efficiency. Take the time to revisit your shipping settings periodically to ensure they align with your business goals, product range, and customer expectations. That's all for today's tutorial. We've navigated through logging into Shopify, accessing the shipping settings, creating a new shipping profile, assigning products, setting up shipping zones, rates, and finalizing the setup. With these steps, your Shopify store is now ready to handle orders and ship products efficiently to your customers worldwide. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to help you maximize your Shopify store's potential.